Hello students, today I'm going to be presenting and showing you a little tutorial on how to start with Khan Academy and how to use it effectively. So right here on the page we're on khanacademy.org. We're going to click login and go ahead and type in your username that your teacher generated for you. I made up a quick one just for a test. Once you're signed in, you want to click Not Now unless you're using a home computer. You don't want them to save your password. It's going to give you a little bit of a introduction saying that hopefully you've had this approved by your parent or guardian ahead of time. You want to click that and start learning. What's neat about Khan Academy versus what we've done in the past with ILS is you have these little avatars you can pick from, and as you can see there's more and more that you get as you gain more and more energy points. In this case, I'm just going to click this first one here just to give you a little idea. You also get to adapt your avatar as you gain more points or change your background, the more energy points you earn by getting questions right. So I'm just going to save the one we have. Welcome to Khan Academy. We're just using this for math, but you can see there's a lot of really great things in here. The computing, the programming side is a really neat aspect too, but let's just stay with math. And you are in 5th grade. You don't have any of it done, so you have 0%. So it's going to say US because Khan Academy is used in different countries. Let's do the fun part. First thing we're going to start with, and it's going to show you a little bit of an overview of what you do in 5th grade math: arithmetic, fractions, place value and decimals, measurement and data, geometry, and algebraic thinking. We're going to step through it as we go along. Might give you different things to work on throughout the year depending what your teacher tells you. But let's start with our first mission to gain some energy points. And this is going to be a mission warm-up. It's going to give you a little pre-assessment. See where you're at, see how well you're doing. So once we go click Get Started, there's some nice little features. We have 26 times 81 right here. What's neat is you can have a little bit of a scratch pad, and since these numbers aren't lined up right now, you can go ahead and type in or write in the numbers with your cursor, or you can just use scratch paper beside you depending on what your resources are. And then from there, go ahead and use this version of it to help you get the answer right. As you can tell, I'm not very neat with my multiplication and adding it all up, and the cursor is not very I'm running out of room here. That's okay. So 6, 10, carry the 1, 10, 11, carry the 1 again, 2, 1, 0, 6. That'll work for me. 2, 1, 0, 6. And then I can either click check answer or hit enter. And you hear that little, yes, you got it right, way to go. Let's go to the next one. I want you to avoid this. Watch the video right now, because if it's a mission warm-up, they're trying to get a feel for how good you are at this. Again, you can use the scratch pad here, or if you're not really sure how to do it, you can say, I haven't learned this yet. Again, what's a nice little feature is it's going to say you got it wrong, and then it's going to know to give you more problems like that. Also, if you're really not sure how to do it, you can say, I'd like a hint, and there it starts a problem for you, shows you some regrouping. Then you can go ahead and finish it out. And there I hit enter. I got correct next question. Same thing here, 6 and 3. If you can just do it right off the top, you're going to have, oops, 9, 9, 9. How about that? Next question, you see you're getting little bonus points every time you get one right. Again, I haven't learned this yet. You can click that if you're not sure. Again, I'm just for the sake of this, for the sake of the mission warm-up, to show you how it gets started and then where to go from there. I'm just going to click I don't know certain things. I'm just going to go ahead and calculate this, show you some energy points that you've earned. We've earned 400 points. It says we know how to multiply 2 by 2 and add within 1,000. If we had enough points, we could go ahead and customize our avatar, but we only have 400 points. We need probably about 10,000 or start mastering skills before we do that. So getting more points will give you more options for your avatar. So I'm going to go ahead and close this, and I'm going to get started. So there's all sorts of different practice things that I need to do here. I'm at 1% progress. I have 91 skills I need to master. That's why we want to start this early in the 5th grade year. And once I click on this, now if I'm having trouble with one, again, I can use the scratch pad. I can change colors, but don't waste your time doing that. You can click I'd like a hint, or what's a really, really neat feature, what makes this awesome is there's tutorials right embedded in the program that show you how specifically do math problems like this one. Now I have the volume turned off, but this is a teacher doing the same kind of tutorial and showing you how to do subtraction with decimals. So I'm really excited. This is a great tool. There's a lot of neat things that are going to help you be successful, and it's fun. There's different types of missions you want to accomplish and change your avatars and kind of have that constant sense of building up in a game atmosphere while you're still learning 5th grade mathematics. All things that are related to the Common Core, and you'll see come PSSA time.